This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 5G smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 5G is a smartphone that opens up like a book turning into a tablet. It is designed for people who want a unique, powerful phone that can multitask and give you a big screen experience. If you want to buy this smartphone, please see the link in this video description. Now we will see the key features of Galaxy Z Fold 6 5G. This smartphone has a foldable screen. It has two screens. Smaller outer screen, which is 6.2 inches, and a bigger foldable inner screen, which is 7.6 inches. The foldable screen lets you watch videos, play games, or work on a bigger display. This smartphone supports super fast internet for downloading, streaming, and browsing. This smartphone has a total 3 cameras on the back. 50 MP main camera for clear photos, 12 MP ultra-wide camera for wide shots, 10 MP telephoto for zooming in without losing quality. This smartphone has strong performance. This smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is great for multitasking and gaming. This smartphone has a durable design. Improved hinge and materials make it stronger than before. This smartphone support multitasking. You can use multiple apps at once on the big screen, making it great for work or entertainment. When you unbox, you will see the Galaxy Z Fold 6 smartphone, which is a sleek and premium design, charger and USB-C cable for fast charging, protective case to keep your phone safe, quick start guide, which has instruction to set it up. Now we will see technical specifications. First we will see the display. It has two screens, main screen and cover screen. Main screen is a 7.6-inch AMOLED display and it is very clear and colorful. Cover screen is a 6.2-inch AMOLED display, easy to use with one hand. Next we will see the cameras. In rear it has 50 MP, 12 MP, 10 MP cameras. In front it has high quality selfie cameras on both main screen and cover screen. Next we will see the performance. This smartphone has battery which is 4400 mAh, which lasts a full day with moderate use. Processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is super fast. It has different storage options like 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 terabyte. Operating system is Android 14 with Samsung's One UI. Now we will see the advantages of Galaxy Z Fold 6 5G. First point is big screen experience. Perfect for watching videos, gaming, or working. Second point is unique foldable design. Stands out from regular phones. Third point is great for multitasking. Use multiple apps at once. Fourth point is powerful performance. Handles any task with ease. Fifth point is excellent cameras. Perfect for photography and videos. Now we will see potential drawbacks. First point is expensive. Not budget friendly, it is a premium device. Second point is heavy and bulky. Bigger and heavier than normal smartphones. Third point is delicate foldable screen. Needs extra care to avoid damage. Fourth point is battery life. Might drain quickly if used heavily. Pricing information. In US dollars, this smartphone is $1,799.99. In Indian price, this smartphone is 1,49,999 rupees. Now we will see the customer feedback. First point is amazing design. People love the foldable feature and the big screen. Next point is smooth multitasking. great for working or switching between apps. Next point is high quality camera, captures clear and beautiful photos and videos. Next point is fast performance, handles games, apps, and multitasking without any lag. Now we will see the conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 5G is an extraordinary phone that combines the best of smartphone and a tablet. It is perfect for those who love new technology and multitasking. While it is expensive and need extra care, but its unique design, powerful features, and great performance make it worth it for tech enthusiasts.